Yo, Cuckoo Kid.
What?
So tell me what you've done. I want to see. You got a 3x3? Have you solved that yet?
Mm-mm. I'm trying to, but I can only do that.
So have you ever solved a Rubik's Cube?
What's Rubik's Cube?
Any Rubik's Cube?
Yeah.
Which one?
This one, of course.
Let's see. When did you do that?
Just today.
So today was the first time ever in your life you've solved a Rubik's Cube?
Mm-hmm. But twice I messed it up and had to try to do it again.
So you're getting good, huh?
Mm-hmm.
So I bet you by the end of March, you might get the 3x3 down. 'Cause you already got sides done, right?
Mm-hmm.
See? And I know you can almost get 2 sides. And I can't even do that.
You might be too close.
Alright, man. Well, I'm going to have to film you when you do that one, alright?
What if you don't know when I'm going to do it?
Yeah, buddy. Right. Peace out, Cuckoo Kid.